Hello and welcome. I'm really excited to share with you a live demo of a system that we've built called ImagineThis. ImagineThis is a great platform for testing and building early stage application prototypes. Those prototypes have to be designed in a popular platform called Figma. They also have to obey certain rules. I have prepared such an application for you already. It is a simple questionnaire app. And now we'd like to build it and run it on mobile phone and potentially even get feedback from actual users. And this is where ImagineThis comes in. I copy the project ID and enter the access token. ImagineThis parses the design and shows a preview of all the wireframes. You select those that you wish to build and convert. Right now, ImagineThis is parsing the design and producing a React Native source code directory. We can even download the whole directory and see all the files that were generated inside with all the necessary files. What's more, right now, ImagineThis is actually publishing the app to a service called Expo. Expo will be used for testing those applications on your phone merely by scanning a QR code. And right now I will show you what is happening behind the scenes. We are actually running Docker containers. We are running 3 Docker containers as we have 3-tier layer architecture. So we have the database layer, a Postgres database, backend layer, which is a RESTful API written in Java using Spring Boot framework. And we have the front-end layer, which is a React Native application. We have a 4th container, which we call Expo containers. These containers are jobs that perform the publishing. They are triggered by the backend container. And actually, when we look inside, we'll see what is going on. The Expo container is building a bundles, iOS bundle, Android bundles, and then publishing them to the Expo platform. They read files from a volume, which is shared across the container. The backend container is writing files into this volume, whereas the Expo container is reading files from that, copying them, and then building those bundles. So once this finishes, we can go and try to test this app. As you refresh the page, there are new instructions that you need to follow in order to run the app on your phone. Firstly, you have to download and install the Expo Go application on your mobile device. Then you have to create an Expo account and enter the email address you used here. We will invite you to an organization under which we publish the applications. And finally, you just need to scan this QR code from your mobile phone. And this is what I'll be doing right now. I open up my phone, the camera, and scan the QR code. Notification pops up and I click on the notification. I'm redirected to the Expo app, and as I can see, this is the design that I created with native input fields that I can use, and also with buttons that navigate me across pages. Note that this is just the front end, so there's no backend, no database, no data gets stored. It just creates a template front end that you can use and expand on. And finally, after I tested the app, I can post feedback about the app to the designers. I enter my name or username and enter the feedback. This feedback gets stored in the database, and I can also see the feedback from other users and upvote or downvote them. This is a great functionality how designers and app developers can collect feedback from the end users before they start developing the app and put lots of energy into coding. So this is it, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.